We're going to the Greek islands, to the island of Syros.
Okay, good morning, Panayoti. Thank you for having me here, man. Thank you. How are you?
Very good.
Panayoti is in Syros. He's in Greece.
Yeah.
It's the place where I was born.
From Syros.
Where the best food is made, eh? Panayoti is going to share with us some recipes from Greek island of Syros. They're very specialized, but yeah. A simple food that you can prepare at any time with very, very simple ingredients. We're going to make you some, what is it?
Tomato keftes, meliasti tomato.
Good morning. Good morning, Ioana.
Good morning.
How are you? Good to see you.
Me too.
Thank you for having me here. Right in front of my house in Syros, in Kini. Ioana is the chef of this really beautiful waterfront restaurant in Kini. That is probably the busiest one in Kini because she's so good. She's so good I had to come 10 o'clock in the morning because she's so busy after that she can't do anything, eh?
No, we run all the day long.
Yeah, you're running like crazy. So you're very kind to let me come here and share.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you. And share your recipes with you. Okay, we're cooking what?
A plate with rice and seafood.
So it's a seafood dish with rice. Yeah. Is that one of your specialties here?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
And people love it and they order it all the time?
It goes like crazy.
It goes like crazy, yeah. Okay, what do we need for that? We're ready with frutalia.
Yes.
Food of Olympic champions, as you can see from the olive branches here, yeah? Now, I did have a taste, because you gave me a little bit spare, didn't you? Even without the cheese, and that was amazing. Can you come to Sydney and work there, please?
Yes,
please. We need you, man. This is fantastic.
I come.
Looks cannot describe how good this is, guys. Really, looks. But gonna have another go, eh? Let's have another taste. You too, please. I've already checked it, but I tell you what. For you first. For you, this is. Look at the consistency.
Thank you.
Madonna.
Thank you very much.
Of course, name after.
From Syros.
Yes, okay. This is for Adoni.
Thank you, Lord.
And now this is for me. Okay.
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
Sauces.
Okay.
Bon.
Frutalia from Syros.
Yes, αλλά μου βάλε λίγο παιδί.
No, we'll get some more. This is just. I was gonna eat this.
Well, very good.
And listen, don't forget to give me some bread for that sauce, you know?
Yes.
Because when we switch the camera off, I want to eat that sauce.
Yes.
Yeah? How am I ever gonna lose weight with people like you around me? Okay, let's go, guys. Let's have a taste. Frutalia from Syros. Mama. Is this heaven or what?
Για moment. Πολύ καλό.
Good taka.
Καλό είναι, καλό.
This is good taka. Thank you.
Λοιπόν, πολύ ωραίο τυρί ο Σαν Μιχάλης. Πολύ ωραίο.
Cheers.
Για μας. Παιδιά, στην υγεία σας.
Thank you very much, guys, for
Καλή επιτυχία.
coming onto our show.
Okay.
Όποτε ξανάρθετε, επισκέφτεσαι.
Anytime you like, come.
Next year we'll be here again.
Okay.
But I'm hoping,
Yes, because
before I go, you show me some more.
thousand food here.
Love it. Love
Okay.
it. Fantastic.
Every time
Γεια
you
σου.
come.
Every time
Okay.
you come.
Γεια σου.
Στην υγεία σας.
Γεια σου.
Τι να πούμε, στην υγεία σας.
That's okay. Γεια σου is good. Here we are. We've cooked.
Yeah.
We've enjoyed. And we're going to have a taste. Yeah? I hear. Yeah, faceless toast. Yeah. Cheers. Γεια σου.
Στην υγεία μας.
Στην υγεία μας. Στην υγεία μας.
Στην υγεία σου.
Oh, I can't wait. This smells. I can smell the sea here.
Yeah.
Eh? I can smell it coming. Let's have a taste. Your ladies first. You tell me.
No, you have to try
Okay,
first.
okay.
Let's try together.
This is beautiful. Good? Congratulations, congratulations. That's beautiful. No wonder you're so busy here. Really.
Thank you.
Your food is exceptional. The place is magic.
Super. Yeah.
People would kill to be here, eh? It's so nice.
They fight.
I want to thank you very much for having me as your guest today from the International Cooking Show in Australia. We say goodbye from Syros. This is our last meal, and we're coming back to Australia. Thank you for watching, and we'll try and keep our program up to date with very special and unusual things. We only have the best chefs we can find here. It's not a competition. We just present you the best food from the best chefs we can find around the world. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.